Jamie, yes, the answer is yes. A lot of surgeries are being delayed across hospitals in this state. And one doctor here at Overlake Medical Center says that those people waiting in the wings, unable to get medical care because of COVID patients, are sitting there like ticking time bombs.
There are people that will die within a day or two if they don't have surgery.
It's a crisis when people who need surgery have to wait because there are not enough hospital beds.
One of the reasons that we're going through this is because people are choosing not to be vaccinated.
Dr. Todd Freudenberger with Overlake Hospital in Bellevue says this may be yet another wave of COVID, but it's different.
This is much different. Patients are much sicker this time around. We are losing more of them for sure.
Around 95% of the more than 1,460 patients hospitalized with COVID as of Wednesday are unvaccinated.
We've added an additional 1,100 patients to our state hospitals just in the past 30 days.
Dr. Steve Mitchell with Harborview recounting the story of a woman who recently died in Eastern Washington.
And this patient who was severely ill, and unfortunately she actually did pass away in this small hospital when after 8 hours of trying, we were unable to find an ICU bed.
Behind hospital walls, those stories aren't just headlines, they are personal.
I mean, it really is quite horrible. We see people and we lose them, and we don't really have as much time as we'd like to grieve or to decompress as a group.
Dr. Freudenberger is worried about healthcare workers who have yet to process the trauma as they try to stay strong for patients fighting for their lives.
They know how sick they're getting, and they're fearful of their lives. We have patients who are in tears, and they feel like they've let their families down.
Now, Dr. Mitchell over at Harborview says although the statistics are really hard to measure exactly right now, he believes there are more deaths unrelated to COVID because of all of the hospital strain and all the delay in care. In Bellevue, Hannah Kim, Q13 News.
All right, Hannah, and we still don't have exact numbers on kids in the hospital, but at today's news conference, health officials said they are seeing, quote, uncomfortable numbers. The DO.
I feel beat.